Hello everyone, my name is Peter Simboni. Welcome again to eLearners Academy. Today I'm very excited to introduce to you yet another course at eLearners Academy. The course is an ultimate course to graphics design. Here we're going pro when it comes to graphics design. We are going to understand different aspects of design, of course using one of the most famous platform called Photoshop. Now, when you hear about Photoshop, you might be scared, but this course is particularly meant for anyone who has never been involved in any way in graphics design. So we have partnered as eLearners with this Decastify group. These guys are really good. They have been doing design for the past 10 years. And I just wanted to bring in the hands-on project type of experience so that when they tell you about making a certain type of graphics of a design, they're actually making it with you. So I really hope this class is going to be amazing. You're going to learn how to create logos. As you know, logos are really selling. If you have your business, your logo is like your identity. We shall know how to make posters and flyers. These will now communicate the message, whether you're selling a product, the qualities of that product, and how much it costs in terms of the location, in terms of the deadline, in terms of the amount, etc. We are also going to see what the market needs from you as a graphics designer, whether you're going to have drop-down banners, whether you're going to have branding, whether you're going to have any form of graphics that you may intend to start as an individual. So this particular course is tailor-made for you. I really hope that you enjoy. You may want to log in at elearners.academy. The course is ready. And for only 2,500 Kenya shillings, our experts will take you from point A to point Z. That is from the basics of the introduction all the way to how you can be a pro in graphics design. And they'll even show you the techniques in which you can actually earn money from that particular craft. So don't waste time. Rush at elearners.academy. See you there.